Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. Market Beast. Naked Brand is under a little bit of pressure, or is it? I actually have a thesis for next week, maybe even 2 weeks from now. So stick around to the end for the levels for that. Please take notes, and we'll get right into it. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new, we only explore price action. Let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? So today's July the 25th, 2021, and the previous close of Naked Brand NAKD, 53 cents, slightly negative 4.1% for the day. Okay. All right. So ASMR, interesting analysis. Here's the range, the same range, guys. All right, let's see where'd that come from. Okay, so the two levels that we're looking at, the red line and the green line, is the same, guys. 47 cents up to 84 cents. Same thing. I'll leave links for you just to kind of verify our credentials. I think on our last post, the market was like 84 cents. And we're saying if it didn't kind of like close above that level, then it's just within a range. All right. And actually got as low as recently here on July the 19th at about 48 cents. Okay, so let's get into what I'm expecting to see over the next week. So if you're watching this video right now and the price is below 50 cents, then just kind of scratch out everything that I'm saying. And this video did not age well, right? 50 cents, right about there. If the market is above that level, closing daily candles above that level, expect the market to move up to that green line that I raised on the beginning of the video, about 63 cents. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting to see over the next week or two, assuming, okay, there is a contingency, if that's even the word to use. If it's staying above 50 cents, okay, then we will likely see a test or breach of the 62-cent level. And remember, guys, if you're long-term investing, like, just ignore these levels. I'm just kind of going over the price action. I guess some people need an update. Our $5 price target is still the same. I know some, they poke at the beast when I say that, but I still have a $5 price target on this stock. Please do your research outside of the candlesticks, as I never do that in terms of wondering whether or not it's going to be delisted. I'm counting on you guys to do that, because you're putting your hard-earned capital in this market, or the capital that someone just hands you into this market, and it's in your best interest to understand that. I'm just in love with this story, okay? So that's what we're going over. All right. If it does not happen by, I know some do have questions about, hey, you said what happened by September. We said up to September, we should see some sort of consolidative phase. And after September, we should see some sort of stair climbing to the upside, not necessarily it actually reaching $5 in September, but we are expecting the market to at least stay in a consolidative phase up until September. That would actually be the perfect storm, I think, for a move higher, because the longer it consolidates within the range, and if the true trajectory is to the upside, the better off it will be when the market actually breaks out. Our thesis will remain to the upside as long as the price is above 47 cents. If it starts getting below and staying below that 47 cents, yeah, we got to call everything off, guys. We got to call off all bets, $5, none of that. Any of those targets, we have to call it off, okay? Because my comprehension skills are unable to understand what is going on with the trajectory to the upside if the market is below 47 cents. Hopefully we're clear on that, okay? Guys, the videos age fair. I mean, not all of them, right? But most of them do have a critical level. The red line always represents that critical level. If the market is kind of stair-stepping to the upside, which is why it's very important for you to pull up your charts, right? If you're noticing that the market is making higher lows above like the one red line, aka the critical level that we're going over, then it is in a good position to eventually move higher, but you're looking for higher highs and higher lows for an uptrend. And so far, the market just made a higher low so far. Okay, that's the important part. So far, can it change? Of course. But right here at July the 19th, 2021, it reached at about 47 cents, if you can see that. Okay, and that is actually a lower low in comparison to this low here. Right, if you see like this level here, it is a lower low in comparison to what happened back in May the 24th, 2021, when it reached as low as 50 cents. So that is a lower low. But if you just kind of look at everything, just kind of look at the grand aspect of all the price activity that's taking place below 47 to 84 cents. If you see this area here, back in April the 16th, it reached as low as 47 cents. And of course, this area here on this green candle, May the 13th, it reached as low as 47. There's like numbers after it, but it is a higher low, like 47.30. And then over here, it's actually 47. sorry, 46 cents. So those are two higher lows. And as of recently here, assuming that the market will not move lower, it's 48 cents here. So that's 3 consecutive higher lows. And that's basically all I look for, which it's showing a sign of strength as long as the market is officially making higher lows. But remember, when the market makes a higher low, it eventually needs to make a new high, because what I'm looking at here so far, the market did successfully make a lower high when it went up to like 84 cents. But again, as long as it's holding the relative lows and making higher lows at about 47 cents, everything is just fine. Okay, I repeat this stuff a lot because it makes sense if you're looking for an uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows. It's really simple. I mean, just take a really basic, practical look at the charts and look for the higher highs and the higher lows, and you'll be like, okay, cool. I see what he's talking about. All right. So you have what I'm expecting for next week, leading into the next 2 weeks, assuming that it stays about 50 cents. We're looking for 62 cents. Okay. We covered that. And I think everything is covered on the video. Okay. So it's in the range, guys. 47 cents, 84 cents. Not really sure what else to cover on this. All right, everything looks fine to me so far. So let's give it another 2 weeks and we revisit this as necessary. So hopefully this was enough information for you to take leading into the next 2 weeks. Give me a buzz in the comment section and I'll give you guys an update if necessary, especially if it breaks below that 47 cent level. We'll just have to get in here and see if we can find out what's going on, okay? All right, so leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote this video. If you're new, also, we covered the alternative markets if you're into Bitcoin and altcoins. So kindly subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll send you that information when it is available. Once again, thank you for stopping out. I appreciate your time. Execute your strategies in the market. Remember to check this stock to see if it's going to get delisted or a reverse stock split. That is important. They'll cut your shares in half or more, okay? We'll talk soon. Cheers, guys, and bye for now.